The perfect time to plant flowers depends on your region and climate. For the healthiest flowers, always plant after the area's last frost. Here's a list of the supplies you need to get the job done. Look for plants that are short and stocky with healthy foliage and little to no flowers. Get started by lifting the plant out of the pot, keeping as much of the root ball intact as possible. If your plants have any existing flowers, remove them so that the plant can focus on establishing a healthy root system rather than flowering. Before planting, work at least 1 inch of organic matter into the soil, then smooth it using a rake. Be sure to plant flowers at the same soil level as they were in the pot. Finally, add 1 to 3 inches of organic mulch around the plants to help conserve moisture and suppress weeds. Now, you're ready to watch your garden bloom. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.